We have already completed the methods of preparation of alkyl halides. Then come to the physical properties of alkyl halides. First we have to see polarity of CX bond and a dipole moment concept. First see polarity of CX bond. CX bond. We know that halogen X is more electronegative than carbon, acquires partial negative charge, and a carbon acquires partial positive charge. Electron density lies more and more towards halogen, giving partial negative charge. That's why CX bond in alkyl halide is highly polar. Then come to the dipole moment. We know that in 11th standard, dipole moment mu is equal to charge into the distance between the charge separation. This dipole moment is expressed in dBi, capital D, dBi. It is a vector quantity. Dipole moment as it depends on both magnitude as well as a direction. See here, some methyl halides are there: methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, methyl iodide. Then which this halide has the highest dipole moment? Know that fluorine is the most electronegative element in the long form of periodic table, but due to its small size, fluorine is the first member of 17 group elements, halogen family. Its size is very small, and due to its small size, dipole moment of a methyl fluoride is less as compared to methyl chloride. There are remaining methyl halide: CH3Br methyl bromide, CH3I methyl iodide follows the regular trends. That's why what is the correct order of decreasing dipole moment of this methyl halide? The order decreasing is first methyl chloride, then methyl fluoride, then methyl bromide, and last one methyl iodide. Then come to the next interested part regarding mono, di, tri, and a tetrachlorinated compound of a methane. This is the methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride. In all these structures, carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. It has the tetrahedral geometry. See the structures of this one. Then we will comment on what is the trend regarding the dipole moment of this mono, di, tri, and a tetrachlorinated halide. Let us see first here methyl chloride structure. See here CH3Cl. We know that carbon is more electronegative than hydrogen slightly. Then the dipole moment is towards this carbon. Then again hydrogen carbon bond, carbon slightly electronegative than hydrogen, dipole moment is in this direction. Same is the true for this. Now look here, this is a CCl bond. Chlorine more electronegative than carbon. The direction of this magnitude direction of this dipole moment is in this way. That means all these three CH bond supports the dipole moment in this direction, and the vector sum of these dipole moments is very high, and that's why methyl chloride has the highest dipole moment. Come to methylene dichloride. Here one hydrogen is replaced by one chlorine. This dipole moment slightly opposes to this CCl bond. Due to this one, this is not total direction. That's why this methylene dichloride is having slightly less dipole moment as compared to methyl chloride. Then come to this chloroform. Here two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two chlorine atoms. Again, the dipole moments of this CCl bond oppose this one. Still the dipole moment becomes less. Carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. It is a regular tetrahedral molecule. All the dipole moments cancel each other. It is a symmetrical molecule. And that's why the net dipole moment of carbon tetrachloride is taken as a 0 dBi. Then what is the correct order of dipole moment of these all these chlorinated compounds? Dipole moment mu, CCl4 0 dBi dipole moment minimum least. Then methyl chloride is having the maximum value of dipole moment. Then methylene dichloride, then chloroform. This question is a very important from examination point of view in competitive exam, particularly in NEET exam, JEE exam. This question was asked so many times.